What's up, YouTube? I told you yesterday I'd be back with another trade that we took this week. This trade is the Euro New Zealand, and we took a long on the Euro New Zealand this week. We hit our first target at 55 pips, and we hit our second target at 100 pips on the dot. And we'll talk about that as soon as we come back. Please don't move. Welcome back. As I told you, we hit our first target at 55 pips and our second target at 100 pips. All right, this is the Euro New Zealand. Worked perfectly. Let's go and break it down. I'm currently in now the Euro New Zealand chart. So pay attention, folks. Pay attention closely along. All right, my original entry was this rally, base rally, kind of doji with no wick at the back. Okay, I like kind of candles with no wick at the back. Sometimes they mean something to me. But this rally, base rally, I had set an alert here. I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit just so you can see. Now I actually missed my original entry. It hit late at night. My original entry, it hit at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was asleep. But when I woke up, I saw this. Okay, I saw this little area. So I really didn't go long at this zone. I woke up. Actually, yeah, I woke up and went long in this zone. Okay, that was the original zone, was this zone at the bottom at 250. Okay, 1.65, 250 was my original zone. So when I woke up that morning around 5, 6 o'clock, that's when I was able to look at it again and say, I'm going to go long right here. If you go to a smaller time frame, we have a bullish candle here that broke a high to the left. Not too many pips at risk, so I took a shot at it. So if we speed up the chart, it gave me a little trouble. I sat here for a little while. Next thing you know, I hit target 1. Didn't get out of the trade. I held it because that's what the market does. It emotionally messes with you back and forth. Sometimes it's best just to not look at it. Price came all the way back down to almost my entry. I didn't budge. Then it hit the second target. I only took my first target because of this structure we had here. And this whole number at 1.66000 was here too as well. So that was the reason. And obviously 1.66500 was my second target for a total of 100 pips. Okay. So 100 pips, second target, first target, 55 pips. Again, like I said yesterday, we want to try to do this at least 3 or 4 times a week with trades in and out. Why we took them. What was the basis? Okay, the New Zealand had weakened up just a little bit. Also, we're going to do our lives on Mondays and Tuesdays. We do our lives in the morning. Wednesdays and Thursdays, we do an Asian session in the evening for people that might not have time in the morning. We do some Asia session for people that have some time in the evening, maybe when they get off work. Also, for swing traders or people that's looking to take one trade a week or two, I do a weekly analysis on Sunday, which will be tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend, folks. Tomorrow I'll do a weekly analysis to help those that kind of want to look at the week as a whole overview of what might or what could happen. Check the news and everything. All right. So people, again, happy Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking us out. Before you leave, make sure you stop by our Pip Getterz Apparel website. We also have a Patreon. Okay, we're here to service the people. You can also leave comments. Okay, subscribe, whatever it is. As the doctor says, can't help you if you don't tell me what's wrong. All right, so I'm here to help. Professor Pip is in the building. I'm gonna go get something to eat and go hang out. Folks, again, thank you for showing up. I appreciate you guys being here. Please stay tuned for more. Again, we have in the future, I want to do a lot of things with Pip Getterz, some cartoons, some more wardrobe stuff, some trades, some different styles of trading for different types of people. So it's only the beginning. Again, I appreciate you all for showing up, for coming by. Please be safe. Stay loved up. Stay prayed up. Okay? It's a crazy world out here, but we have to do our part. So thank you for coming by. God bless.